Hi guys and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint in S25 Ultra. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go to the settings on your Samsung S25 Ultra. You need to scroll a bit where you will find the option lock screen and AOD. You need to tap on it. It will bring you here. If you see screen lock and biometrics, all you need to do is to tap on that one. Right at the bottom you will find the option face recognition and under it fingerprints. Tap on this and now you need to choose pin fingerprints, password, or fingerprints pattern in fingerprints. So I will choose this one. You can choose any of the above options as well. So now I'm gonna select a pattern. Once you select it, then confirm it. And now the pattern is selected. Lock screen notification, if you want to enable that one, you can change it from here. Hide content, if you want your content to be shown on the lock screen, then tap on done. Now pattern set is screen lock. Now if you continue, now it will ask you to add a fingerprint, so you need to tap on continue. Here at the bottom you will find the option register. You need to read all these instructions before doing it. Tap on that and now you need to choose the finger that you want to take the print of. So in my case I will do this one. You need to so you need to put your finger right in the circle, then you need to remove it, put it again, and you can choose the side of your finger multiple times. Repeat the same process. So guys, as you can see, fingerprint has been added. If you want to add another finger, you can tap on add. If you want to just continue, tap on done. And this is it. Your fingerprint has been added.